Hi guys, today we'll see how to use a laundromat. Each laundromat has a spacious parking for all the people who are going to use them. Now come on, let's go inside. Usually all the laundromats are self, and sometimes there are counters like this where you will have people who will assist you. These are the instructions how to use the laundromat. You can choose washing or drying clothes. Choose the number, go to the counter, inform the number and you'll pay there, or you can use the self machines. Each machine will have instructions and the price mentioned according to the time. Choose your temperature, put your clothes and you can start. Drying machine and the washing machines are separate machines. They are coming in small, medium and large size. Large are usually used for big blankets, small for little clothes. You can choose gentle washing also. There are some instructions. If you are taking your kids, please do read them and follow them for your safety of your kids. In some places you have tables like this which you can use for folding your clothes or for any purposes you need there. We have laundry soap dispensing device also there available in some laundromats. These are the big, small and medium ones. You can choose cold and wash. This is the place where you can put your soap, conditioner and the bleach. Once the things are done,